Hey there, my name is Luke Utley with McDonough Hyundai, and today we're going to learn how to access your dashcam recording options. Let's get started.
To access your dashcam recording options, all you have to do is go to Setup, Vehicle, Dashcam, press Confirm, and here are the recording options. And so you can select it on while driving, on while parked, and you can also have a motion detection while parked, which is pretty cool. They can also sense driving events. A video from 10 seconds before the event to 10 seconds after is recorded. They have parked events. They can record audio, and they can display information stamps such as the time, the speed, what gear you were in, whether or not you were using a turn signal, the event detection sensitivity, and finally the location. This is a great option for making sure you're covered for insurance and for making sure that your vehicle is protected.